Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming battery voltage and proper seating, because low power can hide settings. Once done, power the thermometer on and look immediately for a labeled degrees C/degrees F toggle or a settings/menu button. If there's no external switch, press and hold the power or mode button for 2-3 seconds to access units. Make sure the probe tip is clean and dry so the sensor reads accurately when you switch units. This prevents erroneous readings after conversion. Once you've found the menu, press and hold the settings or mode button until the display blinks or a unit icon appears, because that indicates you're in the configuration mode. Then use the arrow or mode buttons to cycle between degrees C and degrees F. Some models require quick presses while others need long presses, so vary your timing. After selecting degrees F, release buttons and wait for the display to stabilize. This ensures the internal firmware writes the new preference before you take a measurement. To finish, verify the change by taking a quick test reading and confirming the display now shows degrees Fahrenheit, because practical verification catches errors early. If the unit refuses to switch, replace the batteries and repeat the menu steps. Low voltage often blocks settings changes. If problems persist, check the manual for hidden switches or a firmware reset. As a last resort, perform the factory reset to restore unit behavior. Then set degrees F again and retest to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.